welcome back to my channel. And for all those of you who are visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Archita and I talk about food, I talk about plants, and I talk about some art stuff. Mostly I make mandalas, but you will find my mandalas on my Instagram page. I will link the Instagram page in the description box. Do check it out. So today's video is my review for the Bristol fine liner pens. So like I already told you that I make mandalas, and I was on the lookout for pens with different sizes, and I did a lot of research on various online platforms, of course, and after a lot of consideration I thought that I should give Bristol a try, and I got this pen set. So a lot of options were available on various online platforms, of course, and even on the official Bristol website this pen set was available for the actual MRP, and of course there were some combo offers as well, which involved pen sets with notebooks. And since I already have a lot of notebooks, I finally decided to check out the combo offer, and when I checked out on Amazon, this set of 8 fine liners was available for just $4.99 with free shipping. So I went ahead and ordered this one from Amazon. So I'll post all the links wherever this pen is available and you can buy this pen from in the description box. So please do check it out if you wish to buy this after watching my review. So this comes in 8 sizes, which is from 0.05 to 0.8 and all these variations in between. So the nib size is pretty good, and also before making this video I did a swatch test, and I just thought why not post a video on the swatch test so that you can decide on which fine liner to go for. So I'll just take out each one of the pen and do the swatch test and show it to you guys. So let's begin the swatch test. So this is the book where I usually practice my mandala patterns and some sketching as well. So like I told you that I had already swatched it before, so I will also swatch it in front of you guys. I really don't know the thickness of this paper, but it is a fine paper to, you know, practice your art, and it is very good for pencil sketching as well. So this I bought from a local market, and okay, so let's watch it. So I'll start with the smallest size first. So this is the 0.05 size, and so next I will go with 0.1. I'm sure you guys can already appreciate the difference in the thickness of this nibs, and the grip of these pens is also very fine. I mean, it is perfect for people who are, you know, into professional art as well, because it's the most comfortable way you can hold a pen. So full marks for the design of the pen. And next one is 0.2. Next is 0.3. it's getting darker, you know, as we move up the size of the nibs. 0.4. So the next one is 0.5. This is the most you know, used size for any outlines, where be it a mandala or any other drawing. And as per the writing, the smoothness is concerned, this is very smooth. I mean, it's the movement of the ink is quite good, the flow is quite good. Next is 0.6. And finally the 0.8 size of the fine liner. So as you can see, as we moved up the sizes of the pens, you know, the ink kept looking darker and darker, and I think this is very nice if you are a beginner or a professional too. Like the most comfortable sizes for any outline is 0.5 and 0.4, which seem to be pretty dark as well, and the ink is Japanese waterproof ink, so that's again a plus. So here is how all the 8 sizes of the pens look when you swatch them or when you write with them. Now coming to the ghosting part. So like I told you that this is a very basic paper, and I do not know how much GSM the paper is, but if you can see, the ghosting is minimum, it's bare minimum, and there is no blotting on the next page as well. So I think these are quite good, even if you are not practicing in a professional sheet of paper, or if you're just practicing on any random notebook paper. I think this is quite good because the ghosting is less, and there is no, you know, there's no leakage on the next page as well. So in my opinion, this fine liner set is very good, and I would totally recommend, whether you're a beginner or a professional. Of course, professionals will have more experiences with regards to various brands, but as a beginner, I would suggest you to give Brussow a try. And I got this set of 8 pens for $4.99. It was on offer that day, and I grabbed that offer. So I will just leave the link of my purchase in the description box, and you can just check it out. When you click on the link, it will take you to the availability of the pen. And as of now, when I'm making the video, I just checked the price, and set of 10 pens is available for 650 rupees, which is, I think, a very good deal as well, considering the quality of the pens and the very good experience that it's giving. So, and I cannot wait to try a mandala with these pens, and for sure I'll make a video while I make mandala using these pens too. So keep looking for the update on my channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you have liked this review, and you're looking forward to many other exciting things that are going to come up on my channel. So thank you all for watching this video, and I hope this helps.